Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to unbox my PlayStation 5. It's not the Pro, it's a normal one. It's a slim one to be exact. Let's see how they've done it. So the first thing we have to do is dip. Put this down. Open this. Get it around, even though the other side of the box is prettier. Now I think I have to put it down and get it out of there. So this is the box for those who care. Slim version, 825 memory. This is kind of fantasy, but there you go. And then we open those things. And then we open it up from the side. There are some cables over there. I'm gonna rotate it this way. Oh, maybe not. So here we got some cables, power cable and HDMI cable. This one should be able to do 4K 120 FPS, so that makes it a HDMI 2.2 at minimum. And then we have two little braces over here. They go on the bottom of the PlayStation when you put it down horizontally, which you should, by the way. You get one charging cable for the USB-C to USB-C, probably for the controller, but you can use it for your phone as well. And you get one brand new controller. Bam! Finally, I have these from the PS4, and this is from the Xbox, but I use it for my computer. And then this is the PlayStation one, so the 5 one. It's a bit bigger. But so far so good. I heard good reviews from it. So, and then we go to the PlayStation itself. Now I'm gonna turn it around. I just open this one over here. Take this one out. Then you get a little booklet that probably no one will read. And that's it for the box, you know. And then here's the important box. So we take out the protection. Usually you should use protection. Fold this open. Bam, fathermuckers. Finally got myself the PlayStation 5 in late 2026. Now you might say, why would you get one? Because there's just been the whole controversy with the, how do you say that, with the non-digital discs. Well, every disc is digital, but all the discs, they will be removed in 2028, yada yada yada. I got this thing through a carrier deal. So I get the same product as before. 400 megabytes internet, same TV channels, yada yada yada. I spent €8.50 a month extra, €8.50 for 24 months, and then I received this if I extended my contract by 2 years. So I paid 24 times €8.50, which is like $200 for a brand new PlayStation. Even if I just sell it straight away, I make money. Even if I just sell the M.2 disc and the controller, I would make money. But I'm gonna keep it for myself, because they hold value very good, so even next year I can sell it for like 400, which I'm not intending to do, but I already have a PlayStation 2, the OG one that's backwards compatible. I have a PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, I have 3 gaming PCs, and I have a Nintendo Wii as well, so it's not really like I need it, but hey, for $200, you're stupid if you say no, right? So yeah, that's the PlayStation 5, guys. It's got HDMI on the back, it's got internet port on the back, and 2 USB, I think that's A's, the old school ones, and then the power. And here you have some PlayStation logos. Here's the PlayStation logo, 2 USB-C's at the front and the power button. Yeah man, that's it. Have a nice day guys, bye bye.